Most car rental businesses are failing on social media because they don't know how to take good pictures. They don't know how to put and package their offer correctly, and they don't know how to engage via organic marketing. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact organic social media strategy car rental businesses can use to attract renters, build trust, and keep their cars booked out. You can do this without spending a single dollar. Okay. All right. So let's get right into the video. When I started this business, I didn't spend money on marketing for the first year. Why? This is because in the business that we're in, as you all know, when our customers book our cars, there is a very good chance they will keep the cars for months at a time. So, knowing this, we know that all we need to do as a business owner is to get a handful of customers and able to be able to convert them to make thousands of dollars, sometimes 3, 6, and 12 months at a time. Okay. Now, my strategy specifically when I started was using Facebook Marketplace. I was using Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Okay. So these are four sources of organic marketing. All these sources of organic marketing are completely free, and you can put up your post via Reels, right? You can use Reels on Instagram and TikTok, which are powerful because Reels help you reach new audiences. Okay. You can use Facebook Marketplace where you can post pictures and a video of your vehicle and your offer, and people will reach out directly to you because Facebook pushes Facebook Marketplace listings completely free. And then you can use Facebook itself to make posts, right? And you can send offers in Facebook groups. All right. So the importance of being able to understand all the organic marketing sources is that this can help you in the beginning stages of your business where you may not have much money. Okay. So when you don't have much money, it's important for you to get creative. And understanding how to get creative is what is going to give you the higher chance of success in business, whether it's the car rental business, whether it's Airbnb, etc. Okay. So as a car rental business owner, right, you need to understand what actually makes good organic marketing. One of the ways that we make posts for our business is that we take a video of the vehicle, and in the background, we are verbalizing our offer to our potential customer. For example, we'll take a video of a Toyota Prius and it will say, "This car is available for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash drivers. We are renting this car for $350 a week with $100 deposit. This includes unlimited miles, maintenance, insurance," right? That way, the customer who watches the video, who comes across your video, who may be potentially interested, can see exactly what your offer is. And then on top of that, on the next slide, you can put pictures of the vehicles. That way they know what the vehicle looks like on the inside and on the outside. Okay. So the number one tool for free social media marketing is being able to utilize video content. Too many people don't utilize video content. They just simply focus on the pictures. Okay. Anybody can get pictures from anywhere on the internet. However, having video that looks organic, right? That looks clean and that verbalizes your offer will be key to helping you be able to get bookings without spending any money on marketing. Luckily, we are in a very high demand business. Okay. So what you need to do is identify who your target audience is. Are you speaking to rideshare drivers? Are you speaking to travelers, photographers? Are you speaking to luxury clients? Each group is going to need a different messaging. Each group is going to need a different sort of video and a different sort of offer. Uber drivers may want to know, how much can I rent this car for? A traveler may want convenience like free delivery, right? They may want insurance. May want airport pickup. Okay. Are you able to understand what your audience wants? So, what you need to do is reverse engineer who you want to target and then what they are looking for. Okay. Then the second step that you want to do is to choose the right platform. I gave you four ways you can market Okay, so you can choose Instagram and TikTok if you want to stick to short form video marketing. This is a very effective strategy. You can do reels showcasing cars, lifestyle, testimonies. Okay, this is a great way to do this. If you wanted to use search engines, you can use Google, you can use YouTube, right? These are search engines where you can do posts, use hashtags that will help you boost your authority in the search engines. Or you can stick to using Facebook groups, local travelers, Uber Lyft groups, or referral partners, right? These groups have thousands of people, sometimes tens of thousands of people that you can have and use as a free lead source. Okay. All right. So you have unlimited options. So choose the right platform. Then as step number three, you want to have the right content strategy. Okay. So you can have educational content. So for example, if you're doing Uber or Lyft, you can educate your drivers on the best places to drive, the best times to drive. You can give them more platforms they can drive for. Amazon Flex, Roadie, right? Things like that. This is educational content that will help them make more money and they're more likely to engage. You can show lifestyle content if you're doing luxury and exotic rentals, right? Lifestyle, right? Things like expensive clothes, maybe water rooftop shoots, right? Things like that to help attract people who are more attracted to the lifestyle content. Okay. And then most importantly, you definitely need customer testimonials regardless of what niche that you're choosing. Okay. So once you have all of these things together, then it's about consistency and having a marketing system, having a way for them to sign up with you, having a way for them to book a call with you, right? Maybe you drop a phone number, maybe you drop a link to a form, right? I would recommend having both, okay? Having a link to a form they can sign up and a phone number they can call. That way, you can close them over the phone, which is much easier than closing someone over text. Okay. So these are my strategies that I would use to do organic social media marketing. That way, you don't have to spend money on ads, right? If you get really good at this, there are tons of businesses out there that don't spend any money on ads and they make millions of dollars a year. Okay. So you don't have to spend money on ads. It's an option. It's easier, yes. But if you're good at organic social media, and some of the younger people out there may be fantastic at it, okay, you can you can make a killing in this game simply by doing it organically. Okay. If you like this video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Okay. Uh, use the link below in the description to join our free Facebook community if you're serious about starting and scaling your own car rental business.